At this point in the process, you have your inventory defined, raw material ordered from approved vendors, assemblies and bill of materials set up, and all the documents that define what you make have been reviewed, approved, and released. Now it's time to put it all together and define all the needed steps that everything else in the system is here to support, adding value. The work order module in Total Lean Management Software allows operators to capture the needed data during production activities without creating an administrative burden that slows down the process. The design philosophy for TLM is to provide flexibility in the level of detail that can be captured for a particular workflow in order to adapt to what's needed for your business. If more data is required than needed, that qualifies as waste. And likewise, if needed data cannot be captured, that too will likely cause issues that require resources to solve that could be used for more productive endeavors. For example, TLM work orders can be used across a wide variety of detail depth. On the simple side, you could use your job to simply pull material and components from inventory and use the work order to link that activity to a particular sales order for traceability to the customer job. If greater detail is needed, you can set up individual operations and cycle times and make links to work centers and inspection equipment in order to use this scheduling calendar to coordinate the availability of the various assets needed for this job so that start dates can be assigned that will meet the customer's due date on the sales order. TLM work orders also have built-in quantity integrity checks to ensure the accountability if non-conforming parts reduce the total production quantity. You can also link your operations to non-conformances as well as in-process inspections that might include sampling data and controlled chart reporting. Both in-process and final inspection templates can be established, and all of this can be linked to and accessible to the parts control plan or FMEA records. Naturally, you may want to link your part to the release drawings as well as link individual work instructions to the appropriate operations as needed. To make things easier on the operators, they can also use the companion web app to clock in and out of operations, and the group calendar can be filtered for work orders in order to manage scheduling.